In today's world, smartphones have become an essential part of our lives. From making calls to clicking pictures, smartphones have made our lives easier. And when it comes to clicking pictures, having the best camera phone can make a world of difference. The greatest camera phones combine the cutting edge of image technology with razor-sharp displays and super-fast internet connectivity in a seductive package. In reality, some smartphones may take images that are superior to the proper camera you might otherwise be tempted to buy. You might find it difficult to stay up to date on the newest handsets as camera phone technology develops. Our Phone Rumors opens a new tab. Hub will keep you up to date with the newest leaks in smartphone news. But we've gathered a selection of the newest models with a variety of budgets in mind to help you choose the best camera phone for you right now. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best camera phones available in the market right now. Let's jump into our list. 5. TCL 20 Pro 5G. The TCL 20 Pro 5G is a budget-friendly phone with a great camera. It has a 48MP quad camera setup, including an ultra-wide lens and a macro lens. The phone also has a 32MP front-facing camera for amazing selfies. It is priced at $499.99. This is an extremely attractive phone. With an aluminum frame and glass on the front and back, it has an enormous curved edge display with extremely thin bezels and excellent build quality. Under a vertical strip that is flush with the back panel, the rear-facing cameras are logically positioned. It's orderly and has a wonderful throwback vibe. The 20 Pro 5G from TCL comes with 6GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 750G 5G CPU. It can certainly handle daily chores and only occasionally stutters under greater workloads. The interchangeable smart key from the model from the previous year is present once more. Pros. Considering market analysis, this phone budget-friendly. Great camera phone you can get right now. 5G connectivity makes this phone much more updated. Cons. No wireless charging. 4500 mAh battery makes this phone a bit heavy. OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 Pro is a flagship phone with an amazing camera. It has a 48MP quad camera setup with Hasselblad tuning for amazing picture quality. The phone also has a 16MP front-facing camera. It is priced at $1,069. OnePlus has lagged behind Samsung and Apple in the area of cameras, so the company struck a contract with Hasselblad for color tuning and purchased a new sensor from Sony. Because of this, the 9 Pro's back camera stack stands out among its rivals. While it lacks the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra's extraordinary optical zoom, it gives many more opportunities for artistic expression. OnePlus adds an X-Pan mode that produces photographs in a 65:24 aspect ratio in addition to the regular wide and ultra-wide lenses you'll find on most phones. OnePlus 9 Pro is the result the OnePlus company needed badly. Pros. Amazing camera quality has made this phone best camera phone. 5G connectivity makes it updated. Fast charging is much better than Google Pixel 9. Cons. A bit expensive compared to other Chinese phones. No headphone jack. 3. Motorola Edge 20 Pro. The Motorola Edge 20 Pro is a mid-range phone with a great camera. It has a 108MP triple camera setup, including an ultra-wide lens and a telephoto lens. The phone also has a 32MP front-facing camera for amazing selfies. It is priced at $699.99. On paper, a 108MP main snapper is great, but how does it function in practice? Sadly, my opinions here are similar to those I've expressed in reviews of other Motorola phones. Just okay, really. Not awful, not amazing. The 108MP resolution doesn't truly start up on its own to start. To enable it, you must delve into the settings. However, bigger does not always equate to better. The Edge 20 Pro's pixel binning reduces the final resolution to 12MP, similar to most smartphones that entice customers with a high megapixel count. That is supposed to allow for excellent shooting. As the 12MP main cameras on the iPhone 13 and Google Pixel 5 have demonstrated, but the Edge 20 Pro's images appear to be lacking. Pros: 5G connectivity, fast charging. Cons: a bit heavy compared to other premium phone. No wireless charging will be in the box. 2. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is a flagship phone with an amazing camera. It has a 108MP quad camera setup with 10x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. The phone also has a 40MP front-facing camera for amazing selfies. It is priced at $1,199.99. This phone is Samsung's most anticipated overbearing smartphone use in 2021. All of these features are housed in an Android phone with a 6.8-inch 120Hz Quad HD display, 5 cameras, including a 108MP sensor, 2 telephoto cameras, 100x zoom, and 40MP selfie cameras, plus 5G, all-day battery life, and up to 16 GB of RAM. The upgraded in-screen fingerprint sensor has a 1.7x larger surface area than the one on last year's phone. Pros: 5G connectivity, fast charging, wireless charging. Cons: no headphone jack may disappoint you. 1. Google Pixel 6 Pro. The Google Pixel 6 Pro is a flagship phone with an amazing camera. It has a 50MP dual camera setup with a telephoto lens. The phone also has a 12MP front-facing camera. It is priced at $899. The phone has a 6.70-inch touchscreen display with a refresh rate of 120Hz HZ, a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, a pixel density of 512 Hz per inch, ppi, and an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. A Google Tensor processor with 2 cores running at 2.8 GHz and 2 cores running at 2.25 GHz powers the Google Pixel 6 Pro. It has 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM. The Google Pixel 6 Pro has a 5003 mAh battery and runs Android 12. Both proprietary fast charging and wireless charging are supported by the Google Pixel 6 Pro. The Google Pixel 6 Pro runs Android 12 and comes with 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. A dual SIM, GSM and GSM smartphone, the Google Pixel 6 Pro is compatible with both nano-SIM and eSIM cards. The Google Pixel 6 Pro weighs 210.00 grams and has dimensions of 163.90 by 75.90 by 8.90 millimeters. It was introduced in the colors Stormy Black, Sorta Sunny, and Cloudy White. It has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Pros: fast charging phone is the Samsung phone's most likable feature right now. 5G connectivity makes it much more updated as always. Cons: no wireless charging does not judge its premium vibe.